Hey guys. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. So I'm just dropping this quick video, guys. I want you, if you never subscribe. If you never like. If you never comment, make a comment. Okay, so I can know my videos are relevant. Think about this. If you have at least $500 to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 worth of gifts under your tree, and your bank account doesn't reflect double that, you are part of the holiday trap. Okay, you are a part of the holiday trap. What does that mean? Okay, so that means you fell into the trap of putting more stuff under a dead tree, more dead stuff, unvaluable stuff under a dead tree than money working for you in your bank account or investments. See, the holiday trap is a cycle. See, this is why I said I'm not buying nobody nothing. I'm not buying my kids anything. I'm not grandparents, husband. I'm not buying anything, guys. All year I do. All year I buy. So Christmas to me really doesn't even matter to me anymore. For real. Christmas. It truly doesn't matter to me. But I'm sure not spending $2,000-$3,000 on no gifts and then don't even have $2 in the bank. Okay, so let's do this. Let's stop. Right? If you're at the store or if you're thinking about going online shopping, stop. If you want to get somebody something, get them a card. Put some nice words in it or get them a book. Okay, something that's going to uplift their spirit, inspire them, empower them, and motivate them. Inspire them, empower them, and motivate them. Okay, because getting someone a gift that costs a couple $100, that's really worth nothing in a day, in a year, in a month, the value of that thing that you bought is no longer good. Right? So we want to start thinking asset minded. We want to start thinking success minded. Okay? We want to start understanding, where we're putting our money and where our money can go. Okay? And how we can get our money working overtime. Because there's too many people, guys, that year on year, never stop and say, why am I spending all this money at Christmas? Why am I going broke into the new year? Why am I waiting for tax season just to pay back the gifts, the money back on my credit card from the gifts that I bought? Why? See, nobody asks themselves these things. Nobody asks themselves this stuff. No one says, well, why the fuck am I broke year on year? This thing keep falling. No one says, why am I broke year after year after year after year after year? No one says that, right? No one says that. But everybody says, I need to make more money. I need to make more money. But here's the irony, guys. In order for you to make more money, your mind has to change. You have to say, I'm not participating in the holiday trap. I'm not participating in the birthday trap. I'm not participating, in all the other holidays traps. I'm not. You got to make that up in your mind, though. Because if not, you're a single mother, you're going to live in turmoil. Or you're a wife or you're a husband, you're going to have your family live in turmoil. Who breaks the cycle? See, 2 years, this is my second year not buying nobody nothing. And I don't care if nobody buys me anything. I'm fine with that. I'm making dinner. I'm making oxtails. I'm making peas and rice. I'm making spinach. I'm making waffles. I'm making, some grits. I'm going to make some sausages. I probably make eggs. And I'm making a cake, right? That's what I'm giving to my family. We got to eat anyway. But I'm not going out to Target, Walmart, the mall, Louis, Gucci. None of that. None of that, guys. And you know how good I feel? Because I don't feel like, who did I miss? Who did I miss this year? Did I miss somebody? I got my nieces and I got my nephews that I got to buy stuff for. I got my grandparents and stuff. I ain't buying nobody nothing. So everybody got what they deserve. Nothing from me. So I ain't running around worried about what people need and what they want. No, guys, I'm focused on my future. So the money that I have, I'm growing, right? It's going. It's making me some money. my kids, I can give them money, right? To help their money grow, help their money go, right? That's what I want, right? I can give my kids books. I bought my daughter the Ty Lopez social media marketing course. That is something for Christmas, right? I pay my kids anyway because they're my employees of my company, so I pay them anyway, right? But at the same time, guys, I'm not interested in that trap because it keeps you broke. It keeps you down. It keeps you destitute. A lot of people, guys, are depressed right now because they don't have family. They don't even have money. They ain't getting no gifts, or they can't even buy their kids any gifts for Christmas. Meanwhile, I ain't buying nobody nothing. So that anxiety and that stress, poof, gone. I'm a cook. I'm going to go get my other grandmother. My grandmother coming. Both my grandmothers. My aunt, my uncle. My aunt got 3 foster kids. Okay? My husband, my kid, my sister-in-law, my brother, and my 2 nieces. So it's like 15 of us going to be here eating in my house. Merry Christmas. So if you got more stuff under your tree than more money in your bank account, guys, you are part of the holiday trap. And it is a vicious cycle. Year on year on year on year. 5 years go by, 10 years go by, 20 years go by. Who wakes up? Who stops the trap? Right? Who stops the trap? Like I said, my niece, she's 6 years old. She said, Auntie, you ain't buying me nothing for Christmas? I said, no. She said, why not? I said, because I'm not. She said, wow. I can't believe it, Auntie. You're not buying something for Christmas? No, I'm not. So that means don't expect nothing for the rest of your life because I'm not buying nobody nothing. I do shit all year long. I don't got to wait till Christmas. And Christmas is about Jesus Christ. Ain't about no damn gifts and going broke. The church teach that too. The church teaches is about gifts. Oh, secret Santas and we having all of that and this, that, and the third. Listen, I'll bring some cupcakes. Guess what? I make sure I'm good every year, right? So I'm not looking for my husband to buy me something, my kids to buy me something. Now, if somebody want to buy me something, by all means, definitely. I'm not going to say, oh, no, I don't want the gift. No, give me the gift. But no, they ain't get nothing in return. They just need to be clear on that, right? So we can't be a part of the holiday trap, guys, year on year on year on year on year. When do we wake up? I got my little Christmas tree right here. Right, year on year on year on year. When do we wake up? I woke up last year. I said, nah, I'm done with this shit. I'm done with Thanksgiving. I'm done with all of that shit. I'm done. Doesn't make no sense. I'm done. Are you going to be done? So the holiday trap, guys, if you got 2-3 grand worth of toys and shit under your tree, more than you have in your bank account, you are a part of the holiday trap. In order to achieve financial independence, guys, you got to sacrifice now for a better future later. Or if not, you're going to continue to sacrifice every Christmas. That means going broke every Christmas, being broke every New Year's, to just be broke every Christmas and just to be broke every New Year's. Sad. All right, so go to pagelikeTanisha.com, get your free book. My class is launching. It's going to be $97 once, the first 50 people. Then it's going to go up to $197, and then it's going to be $97 a month. So $97 and $97 a month, guys. Learn a new skill that can get you some new money so you can do some new things, so you can stop wasting money and time. Let's get out of the holiday trap, guys. See you soon.